You are going to love the 2019 A7. Emotion-packed design, sporty character, and innovative technology. Audi is targeting a new market segment with the A7 and is priced below $90,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, traction control, stability control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, clock, child safety locks, power brakes, wireless charging station. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.